Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 61. Rotate list. This is a medium problem. This question is asking us to rotate this linked list. First of all, I want to know how many nodes are there in this linked list? 5. If we want to rotate this list, there's a special case. If the length of this linked list is 0 or 1, then obviously there's gonna be no change or no difference after the change, where we can just return ahead directly. Easy. Then after that, we want to find out the last k nodes. In this case, we can just shift this part of the linked list to the front of the list to do the rotate. And how can we get this part of the linked list? We can start from the beginning with an index moved sometimes until to here. Then we got k nodes left. Then we can cut it, make this node 3 as the tail of the linked list, and point to the next of node 5 to the beginning of the origin list. But these are the steps we're gonna solve this problem.